Flamenco track. Arms combination, use your hands like grabbing an apple. Switch. Inhale and exhale. One more time, the same, easy. Very good. Inhale and exhale. Double lunge, side to side. March. Very good. Repeat, the same. March. You got it. Very easy. Again. Now, single tap to the front and slide, side to side. Double. Double. Single. Slide. Now come forward and cross to the front. Very good. Tap. And use the arm to come back, side to side. Yes. Very good. It's the opposite arm. Tap. Opposite arm. Use the circular arms. Switch. Now chest up. To the side and turn. Circle, double tap. Switch. Yes. Chest up and to the side and turn. Again. Very good. Taps. Slide. And last time for everybody. Tap. Okay. Now taps with arms. Give me 4. It's very easy, like beginning. Remember? And march. Repeat. 4 tap. And march. Now the tap to the side and turn. Watch. Side, opposite to the other side and to the front. Very good. Go. Great. Remember, from the top, double lunge. Come forward, circular arms. Switch. Tap to the front, chest, go up, slide, turn. And now the tap to lateral. Yeah. Very good. One more time, the same, come forward. You got it. Tap. Go back. Second part. Okay, very good. Second part again, and we have to complete. Go. Lunge, ball change. Watch. Lunge, ball change. 5, 6, 7 together. Go. Tap. Go. Lunge, ball change. 5, 6, 7 together. And watch now the arms. Very easy. First, go up. Up. Down. Only one and circle. And close. Woo! You got it? Go. Up. Down. 1, 5, 6, 7. From the top. Very good. Tap. Slide. Second part. Taps. And lunge. Up. Down. 5, 6, 7. Go. Double. You got it? I think yes. Second part. Very good. Go up, up, down, 1. Come on. This is your last and your best. Go back. Taps. And lunge. 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 5, 6, 7. Go.